Hello and welcome to the Lost Pines Workshop. I'm JC Jensen. So I'm an avid woodworker and a furniture maker. Sometimes I need, some of my projects require some CNC work. I'm an old guy and computers and software, I'm not real good at it, right? I'm not proficient at any means. All right. CNCs, I started with a little one and figured out real quick it was too small. So I jumped off into this Shipoko 4, and I'm running Carbide Create version 7. I think the build number is 777. And I've also purchased the Pro version. That has proven itself much worthwhile. I highly recommend the Pro version. There's some added features in that are not in the free version that are really worth having. All right. So this is JC's Carbide Create for Dummies because I'm a dummy. All right. And I really struggle with the CAD business. I struggle with the whole aspect of CNC. I really do. Hand tools, all day. Power tools, let's go. CNC, put it on the brakes. All right. So this series is I'm a step-by-step kind of guy in my woodworking, my furniture stuff. So this series is a step-by-step, how I go from point A to point B, whether it's in the drawing or in the production. All right, my first in the series is called tiling, and it addresses, cutting material that is longer than the bed is long. All right, that was actually my challenge this morning, and thankfully, thanks to Carbide 3D and the Pro, a couple of clicks and it was super easy. And anyhow, hope you enjoyed the series. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Helps me out. If you have questions about these devices, the software, if I can't answer it, I guarantee you I'll point you in the right direction. The forum and the support from Carbide 3D is phenomenal. There are some wonderful, wonderful people that freely give you help in the forum. So, jump in, ask questions. You get an answer really quick, like I have every time. I love these folks. All right, so thanks. We'll see you down the road.